Good morning, guys. I'm Matthew, and today this is a special video. I'm unboxing my mail time. In this box here, I've semi-opened it up, make it easier on camera, because I forgot my GoPro. Semi-opened it up, so let's take a look what's inside. Alrighty, so starting off, hang on, I'll put that down for 2 seconds. Okay, got the receipt there, bit of paper. All right, so we've got some spinnerbaits. Chuck the rubbish up there, put them there actually. Alright, so we've got purple spinnerbait, a green spinnerbait, or yellow green, red and black, a few stickers, a few Bassman stickers. We've got green and black one, a orange and black one, a copper one, purple and copper. Alright, and we've got another 6 there in the 1/2 ounce. So these are 5/8, and this is 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, and then you got, these are the 1 ounce, and old mate has chucked me a couple of plastics as well, so 6 plastics and a couple of stickers. So thanks mate for doing all this up for us. So thank you Glenn from Bassman Spinners. You've done a really good job. You make a fantastic lure, and I'll be ordering from you again shortly. Cheers. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Fishing with the Boys.